Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.